Primetime News this evening.
Shut your mouth and let me talk. I know you would have a problem with that.
Drama in the lower house as the finance minister closes the budget debate. Robot teachers, why an overseas expert believes this is the future of education. And later, gospel event promoter opens up about abrupt end to gospel show last weekend.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, Barita Investments is to be delisted from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We'll tell you why in the Business Day.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the West Indies were hoping to win their ODI series against South Africa, but they had to share the series. They lost the final game. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, we still have morning showers expected across most of the eastern sections of the island tomorrow, but by the end of the week, we are expecting conditions to dry out, especially in the afternoons where we're looking for more partly cloudy skies and less showers across the general area.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the use of artificial intelligence like ChatGPT in the classroom?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.